Okay, hi Arduino, it's Chris here. I'm trying to make this video to just clarify what's my general problem is. So obviously, as you can see, this is my basic setup for the control I'm trying to do. As you can see, the pressure, say if locally I'm going to be able to set the pressure manually, say to 100 psi, right? What the program does, I can hold that button and it will flicker. It means that the value is being stored in the EEPROM, right? And then obviously if whenever the pressure goes down, right, I can recall it by double click, right? The output goes on. I hit the 100 psi and it's going off, right? And also say to inflate it, and then if I'm above 100 psi I could double click again. The other outputs to deflate it is open. I can turn it down and it comes off. Obviously what it also does is, say if you double click it to recall it again, and if the pressure won't go up after 10 seconds it will just quit automatically. That's it. And also works the other way. There you go. Now obviously sometimes you need to have a function that allows you to adjust pressure. Say if 100 psi is not desirable and you want to say lower it or put it up, you just want to have a manual button that will obviously rise it all up or rise it all down. So, and see what's happening. This code do not include any manual inputs. This is the other program I have that is originally built, and it has, as you can see here, that's the manual inputs. If I click upload, okay, to wait for a minute. So see what's happening. You know, the input goes on, right? Down is low. You can barely see it. You can barely see it blinking, right? Because the pressure is above the desired pressure. Now, if you're trying to recall it to lower it down, it comes on and off immediately. Look, right? So in this situation, if the pressure is above the stored pressure, I can only rise it up even more, right? If I go below 100 psi and I want to inflate it, right? The pressure I can only lower it even more. I don't have a possibility to put additional pressure, because if I press to inflate it, you know, the inputs are low. It barely lights up. And also when I double click to recall it, the same thing's happening. So the old question I'm trying to ask all the time is obviously, how can I combine these two sketches, the sketch number 1, which does my all automatic operations as I want it to, with that one that actually has the manual inputs in there. Just don't know how to make it, so this is not included in the loop, but it can be called within the loop or somehow. Thanks for watching. Cheers.